I would like to have a quick talk about how to use technology with consciousness. The whole difference between synthetic technology and an objective use of science and technology in a pure logical way, meaning that without involving the randomness of life, and the organic technology, the technology of daily living, where consciousness is at play, where intuition, where subjective science is of a higher importance, where consciousness is tapping into the unobserved universe to bring in, to co-create life. I want to have all of us aware of those two differences, how the synthetic world works and how the organic world works. The main difference is in the intention, the initial creation of those two technologies. They use the exact same tools, the same methodology, the same algorithm, because they are optimized for similar purpose, achieving the intention that they are set for. A technology that have a syntropic impact on the world, meaning making it better, versus a technology that has an entropic impact on the world, meaning destroying it. The difference is only in the intention, the original intention. Technology is the same. The tools are the same. It's just that we use it with a good intent or a bad intent. There is absolutely no distinction between a robot that is made for doing good versus a robot that is made for doing bad. The only difference is the intention of the owner that decided to use that tools in a syntropic way versus an entropic way. I would like you guys to reflect on what you are doing in life to raise or decrease the entropy of this world, to make it better or to make it worse. What are my thoughts, my actions that will make the world better? And let's have set the intention in every single action we're doing, every single technology we use. I'm using this for making it better. In all your thoughts, in all your decision process, if you go back to the single decision, the choice is clear. Does it improve life? Does it support life? Or does it limit life? Or it suppress life? If you keep that in mind, all decisions are kind of obvious. You only need to be aware of the impact on the universe. Syntropic impact, entropic impact, positive impact, negative impact. And then the choice is easy. How to make this distinction public? And I think we should display our syntropic choices to everyone. For that, I want to set up a little mechanism. All information, all knowledge is shared nowadays online. I mean, it's a fantastic tool for having a collective space to make collective decision and provide space, support to all syntropic actions. I want to have like every single post, every single software, every single technology, every single development that we do disclose the intention. I'm doing this for this intention, for this purpose. This is what I want to achieve with this. And do it initially. Disclose in every web page, every post, the original intention. It will ask people to align with those communication, to do resonance action with it, and amplify the impact of your communication, of your tools, of your software. And so I want to have a little label about all what we do, all technology we develop, a label of we support conscious technology, or we support consciousness in our action, in our product. We have a conscious product, a conscious tech, a conscious decision. We support organic life, which is aware of its impact on the world. And we make the choice having a positive impact. We will have, I want to set up a little label so that people recognize. And you can display that label on your product, on your device, on your communication, on your video, on your podcast, as long as you disclose the original intent. What we want is to have a special format, a special tag to specify the intent so that it's even discoverable with today's search engine. It can be a way of recognizing the conscious impact that everything we do. And so little label you place on your product. There is a charter for having that label, and that would be disclosing the intention in a given format. And there is all tech, that are available for tagging basically and making an intention recognizable in any type of product, like in any software, even in the binary software. It's a sequence of characters that we use. There is software to detect those characters within binaries, within things. And so I want to use those special chain of characters as a tagging mechanism, say, hey, this is my intention. So there's two forms, and we can use both, either or. The condition to have the label displayed publicly is to have those consciousness tag. Example is a way of writing your intent with the little markers that is detectable by automatic tools, discoverable on the internet so that everybody knows your intention by using your product, your technology, your software, or listening to you on your podcast, video, whatever materials you provide on TikTok or whatever, on Facebook, on Instagram, on any type of social media or any website. And so I will put attachments about the little tags, the little label, and I invite everyone to do that. So we want to promote technology with consciousness in mind. So this is conscious technology. It's to be able to compensate all what is going on and what we're observing in the world, where people are doing technology for technology, synthetic intelligence, to the detriment of the organic intelligence, of the collective intelligence. I mean, you can see all what's going on in the AI area, where the big language models allow us some tremendous sharing of knowledge, however, is limiting us in our creativity by just repeating the past. Because a language model will never be able to bring intelligence from outside its own training material. Okay, you can have random decision taking out of the box, but random means somewhere there is a qubit that has been flipped by someone observing it. And if it's a qubit, it's room for a consciousness, a conscious being to inhabit that qubit. So it's part of someone's universe, someone's qubit bucket in the universe that use that quantum information and make it real, observing it. So it's a conscious being using a synthetic tool with a given intention. So if you clearly disclose your intention, then we know that is a technology that is used by a real human being fully aware of its impact on the world. And we can discern if it's a syntropic impact or an entropic impact by just reading the disclosure of that intention. Does it resonate with us? And does it improve our universe or not? We will know. And so I invite everyone to use that label, that tag, so that we all take fully aware decision in our life by disclosing our purpose or intentions. Thank you. Please check the link below because it will have information to how to use those tags and label.